Hello and welcome to Bjorns. I'm Chad. We're here to do another unboxing. Well, kind of an unboxing. This is a new product we got in recently. We've actually already opened it, but I'm going to take you through as if we're opening it for the very first time. So today we're doing the McIntosh MHA50 portable decoding headphone amplifier. Let's get in here. So open up a nice little box. And our product's right here on top. What it is a portable battery-powered, high-resolution digital audio decoding headphone amplifier designed for portable or desktop use, allowing you to take high-performance, high-quality sound from McIntosh anywhere you go. You pair it with any of your headphones. It's got a wide range of power capability. You can drive low impedance through high impedance headphones. It's got built-in Bluetooth with aptX for higher resolution Bluetooth transfer. Also can plug in directly via USB to do playback from a computer, from a portable device like your smartphone, or other kinds of portable digital players. Everything is included that you need, and one of the other really neat features it has is what's called the HXD circuit, which is a headphone crossfeed circuit. What that does is it mixes a little bit of from the left channel into the right and right channel into the left when you're playing your headphones, so it sounds more natural, more like you're listening to natural sound in open space. But let's see what else is in the box. It comes with this nice leather pouch for carrying so that you can keep it safe and clean while you're out transporting it. You've got a power adapter, portable size, runs off the USB, and selection of USB cables that allow you to connect all kinds of devices. So let's have a quick look at these just to run down all the different things that it's compatible with. Looks like what we have here is let's look at the variety. So on each one of them, you got standard USB on one end, and on the other end, we've got a micro USB cable. We've got a lightning cable, compatible with iOS, Apple devices, and then also a USB-C, it looks like. So, wide range of compatibility for a wide range of products that allows you to have everything you need so that you can play high quality, high performance sound on the go. And you can compare it, again, like I said, with any headphones of your choice, including these wonderful McIntosh headphones. And just come on down sometime, have a listen. We have this ready for demonstration. You can bring in your own headphones or listen to headphones we have here. Get a sample of how this sounds. Fantastic MHA50 portable decoding amplifier, portable headphone amplifier, $700 retail. Got them in stock today. Come on into Bjorns.